Welcome to the channel, folks. Chris Shirters Fight the Good Fight. We're doing an afternoon walk with Bowie here. He's such a good boy. Yes, he is. He says, please hit the prescription button. Hit the thumbs up. Notification bell. So you can know when we post something new. And leave a comment below. Help the channel grow. Get out there. Pet a dog. Shake a hand. Smile at a neighbor. It's a good life. Enjoy. Alright, here we go. Let's go, buddy. We can't go straight this time. Let's go. And try not to whiz right away. Good boy. Come on. No, over here. Come on. Alright, whatever. He couldn't help it. His little bladder had to do it. We try to get him off the cobblestones at least before he pees the first time. Got our bag with us in case he does a duty. The wind might be affecting the... oh, I think we're getting a result. The wind might be affecting the audio. Sorry about that. Yeah, I'll get my bag out here. Cook that up. Throw it in the garbage. Just a minute, buddy. Good boy. I know, eh? Okay. Yeah. That's a messy one. Most definitely. Come on, fuck. There we go. Oh, something's going on with my lighting here. Oh, there we go. Is that a good boy? Come on. Another whiz. Jeez, he's walking funky. Good boy. Ooh, it's a little chilly. Is that it? You're done now? You gonna play a little bit? Oh, don't sniff that. Get away from there. Get. Come on. You don't play with that. That's not fun. Come on. What are you doing, buddy? Take your pick. Okay, let's go. Ready? Come on. Come on, let's go. Cold. Hold on, buddy. We missed the big pin. Somehow we missed it. There we go. Woo! It is cold. Let's go, buddy. Come on. Good job. Oh, wait, let me check this. I think we might have something here. 6. God, that's not on purpose, sorry. That's not good what I'm recording right here. Oh, hey? Let's go, buddy. Come on. Oh, there we go. Sorry, folks. Bit of confusion. Had to grab mail and shit. Sit, buddy. Sit. Be good, sit. Good boy. Sit.
You take a floor. The other one's on the surface.
Come on. Be good.
How many months?
I'm not sure. It's my neighbor's pup.
Oh, okay.
Probably not even a year yet.
I was gonna say, definitely months, that's for sure.
We're getting close to the first year, though. Come on.
Oh, absolutely.
Sit. Sit. Good boy.
Strictly one over here. Should see it sometimes, like,
Yeah.
use that camera is supposed to be using one, right? But those days when we came here to do like 10 different contracts.
Looks like we got it
The
now.
elevators and use the
Here we go.
right? Like, it's just craziness. Definitely not having
Go.
That's why.
Good boy. Sit. Sit, buddy.
Come on in, bro.
Okay.
Sit.
7, 10.
Good boy. Sit.
We'll be getting out on 4 here. That's us. Squeeze around you guys.
Sit, buddy. No. Be good. Sit. There you go. Almost there, buddy. There we go. Now one more stop.
Have a good day.
You too. There they all got off. They're all gone. There you go, folks. It was a bit of a long walk today for his second walk, but he had fun. Hit the thumbs up, subscribe, bell notification, leave a comment. Thanks. Cheers.